Coach Tony, over 50, men's fitness. I just wanted to drop this in real quick video today. I know a lot of men over 50 that just feel like giving up. And let me tell you something. That's the easy route. We could all feel down on ourselves and say, hey, I'm going to take this easy way out. But the important thing for us to remember is to be grateful for what we have. I mean, look at, even if you're not in the best condition, at least you're alive and you can improve. You can get stronger. You can lose fat. You can increase your energy levels. You can improve your sex drive. There's so many things that you can do. And that's what I want to encourage you to remember. Don't give up. You don't give up. Think positive and take small daily steps towards your goal. Every single day, do something towards your goal. Now, I want to encourage you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Coach Tony with that reminder, don't give up. Signing out, and I'll see you on the next one.